Hi, I'm Justin with Access Unlimited. Today I'm going to show you an Easy-Reach in a 2004 to 2012 GMC Canyon. This is also a Chevy Colorado, and this is only for the extended cab. So we'll get right into it. Okay, so now that we're a little closer here, so we'll take a look at this. So you have to have, for this application, you do have to have both doors open. You can't just open the one. You also have to open the back one. For this one, we did put the pendant right here. Doesn't necessarily mean that it has to go there. There's a couple different places you might be able to put it. There, up here on the seat. So, here's the unit. We did a CrossFit from another vehicle due to the fact that the seat in the Canyon in Colorado is a 60-40 set, 60 being on the driver's side, which means that the center console comes out of the vehicle with it. Unfortunately, that means that this one would not be able to use the factory seat for that vehicle. Instead, what we did was we took a FJ Cruiser unit and made it fit into this vehicle with an FJ Cruiser seat. All the controls on the seat are manual. We did have to change over some of the different levers. So you do have a little bit of limited headroom here. When you're going in or out, you will probably need to tilt your head. Also, actually, I'll show you too, coming in, the leg clearance is a little tighter between the wheel, moves up and down, so we have this all the way in and up. So we'll run back out. So this also does make it so that the center console is no longer there. So you would lose the center console. You get down pretty low here. Lower than most wheelchairs would have to go, in order to transfer. You could also bring this up a little more if you needed to. Transfer from up, kind of a down transfer. And then when you're going back from the chair to the wheelchair, if you need to do a down transfer, you just bring the Easy-Reach up a little bit, and you can transfer down. So you'll see after coming up, it does slide in, and then it rotates in. So you can see the seat height is just a little bit higher on the seat with the Easy-Reach versus the factory seat. Also, the factory rocker panel here, the plastics, is modified on this, and we do supply that. It's only got a small cut here. We added some extra carpeting to make it look good. So with that, that's pretty much it for this one. Feel free to give us a call. It's 607-669-4822. You can look us up on Facebook or YouTube. Lots and lots of different social medias for us. We have all sorts of different applications, and one of the biggest things for us is that we try not to do any permanent modifications to the vehicle. Things like plastics and stuff like that, they're not really permanent because you can just take another one and put it on. Alright, thanks.